That's it, the brand new BMW M2 Sports Coupe from 2023. It replaces the first-generation model and adopts the most recent inline-six engine from BMW M, making it without a doubt among the greatest driverless vehicles in its class. The engine comes first. The engine is a 3.0-liter twin-turbo, 2 TwinPower mono-scroll, inline-six with the same 2,993cc displacement as the previous M2 Competition S55, which measured 2,979cc, much like the original N55 engine, and the same 9.3:1 compression ratio as the S58 found in the M3, M4, and X3M. This particular unit generates 550 Nm between 2,650 and 5,870 revolutions per minute and 338 kilowatts at 6,250 revolutions per minute. Power is sent to an active M differential for the rear-wheel drive system after passing via either a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed M Steptronic automatic transmission, which transitions from an older 7-speed dual-clutch to a torque converter. With the automatic or in 4.3 seconds with the manual, BMW promises to reach 100 km/h in under 4 seconds. The auto takes 13.5 seconds and the manual 14.3 seconds to reach 200 km/h. The engine satisfies the Euro 6d emission standard and gives an average fuel consumption of 9.6 to 9.8 L, 100 km for automatic transmissions and 10 to 10.2 L, 100 km for manual transmissions. This is an increase over the previous M2 competition car's 9.1 L, 100 km. However, testing using more recent, realistic methods could be to blame for this. A pair of staggered wheels and tires with light alloy wheels measuring 19 by 9.5 inches up front and 20 by 10.5 inches up rear provide grip. It's amazing that they have 275 35ths tires on the front and 285 30ths tires on the rear. BMW has used a fresh, edgier motif for the outside that is in keeping with the most recent stylistic tenets of the firm. In a release, BMW characterizes part of the design as follows. The design has been developed to meet technical specifications for the delivery of cooling air and aerodynamic balance. The side view is set off by clearly designed surfaces, notably flared side skirts, and powerful wheel arches. The quad-outlet exhausts, vertical corner clusters, lip spoiler on the boot, and a tidy diffuser are all present in the rear. Additionally, visible from the back are the bulky wheels supporting haunches. In particular, the new model is 110 mm shorter on the wheelbase and 214 mm shorter overall than the predecessor. The front of the new model is broader than the old one by at least 33 mm, while the back is bigger than the front by 181 mm. These dimensions are now 1,887 mm and 2,068 mm, respectively. BMW has unveiled its most recent 8.0 operating system for the cabin, which has a primary touchscreen display that is 14.9 inches and a gauge cluster that measures 12.3 inches. These are kept within a large curved panel. With 5G support, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are included as standard. BMW Australia has not yet provided specifics on the timing and costs in the region, but we will update this article later today with new details. Delivery is anticipated to begin in 2023. A recent update states that BMW Australia will debut locally in the first half of 2023, with pricing beginning at $119,900 Australian dollars, excluding on-road costs.